Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in a daily newspaper on Thursday, June the 11th, 2020. In this additional with extra Sudokus, we have a Sudoku with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, 4 stars, a binary, and a tectonic. Total of 6 extra Sudokus in this additional. And we start as usual with the Sudoku with 1 star. So let's get started. Alright, I see here 9 in this column, a 9 in the column next. So in the last column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. In this middle column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 9. We see here 9, so no 9 in this box. Here also a 9, no 9 in that box. Here also a 9, no 9 in this box. 1 box left for the 9. Should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 9. I need to wait for more information. How about the number? I will continue with the middle column because those 3 missing numbers. The missing numbers are the 1, the 6, and the 8. We see here a 6, so no 6 there. Here also a 6, so no 6 there. The only place for a 6 should be there. Then the 1 and the 8 are left. The 1 and the 8, we see here an 8 in this big square, so no 8 in this box. 1 box left for the 8 should be there. And the 1 goes there. And now, we go to the 2. No, yes, 2. I see here 2 in this row, a 2 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for a 2 here or there, but I see here 2. No 2 there. 2 should be here. And then I cannot continue with the 2. How about the 4? 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so in the row between. The only place for a 4 should be here. Then, how about the number 8? 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so the column next. The only 2 places for the 8 here or there, but I see here an 8. No 8 there. 8 should be here. And now we have a 7 in this row, the third row, a 7 in the second row. So in the first row, the only place for a 7 should be there. A 1 in this row, a 1 in the last row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 1 here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 in this column, 1 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for a 1 should be there. 2 boxes left in the second row for the numbers 8 and 3. We see here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here and the 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this first row for the numbers 1 and 3. We have a 3 in this big square, so no 3 in this box. 1 box left for the 3 should be there. 1 box left for the other digit, number 1. numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 3. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 4 and 9. No, we have a 9 here. 4 and 7. 4 and 7 are missing. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 7 goes there. We have 3 missing numbers in this big square. The missing numbers here are the 5, the 8, and the 7. And look, we have a 5 and an 8 here, so no 5 and an 8 in this box. So the 5 and the 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 box left for the digit number 7. Then we go to the number 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row, so the row above. The only 2 places for the 6 here or there, but I see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 4. We see here 4, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. Therefore, no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 4 should be here. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 3 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 7 goes there. Now 2 missing numbers in this column for the numbers 5 and 1. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 1 missing number in this big square for the number 5. Then 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing in the last row, and the 6 is missing. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes in there. How about these 2 numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, and the 8 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And then 3 and 2 boxes missing in this big square for the numbers 3 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 3 in the first column, 3 in the third column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places for a 3 here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be there. 3 in this row, 3 in that row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for the 3 here or there. But I see here 3, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And then how about these 2 numbers in this second column? The missing numbers are the 2 and the 9. The 2 and the 9. Can I fill this yet? No, 2 and the 9. Same like here, the 2 and the 9. 2 and the 9. I need more information. 2 and a 9. How about the number? These 3 numbers in the third column. The 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. 1 and the 5, and the 7. 1, 5, and 7. And look, we have a 1 and a 5 here. So in this box, no 1 and a 5 in this box. 1 digit left for the 7. 7 in this row, 7 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for a 7 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 9. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 9 goes there. 1 in this row, 1 in that row, so in the middle row, the only 2 places for the 1, here or there, but I see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 1 number left in this third column for the number 5. 5 in this row, 5 in that row, so in the middle row, the only place for a 5 should be here. 1 number left in the middle row for the number 4. 4 in this row, 4 in the middle row, so in the row above, the only place for a 4 should be here. Ooh, and then 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. We see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here, and 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 2. We see here 8, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 9. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. Now we have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 2 and 8. We have a 8 here, no 8 there, 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 11 minutes for a 1-star Sudoku. I'm very pleased, very pleased. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching this Sudoku video. Yeah, I will see you in a minute with another Sudoku, a Sudoku with 2 stars. So see you later, and bye bye for now.